So today we are going to be diving in to the world of black lips. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down there to become a part of the GlamFam. And yeah, let's jump into this video. I'm super excited. I'm also super sick, and that is why I sound weird. I'm sorry. I did do this makeup look on my channel as well. If you would like to check it out, I will link it up here, or if it's not up yet, it will be up soon. So, my name is Josie, and if you guys have known me for a while now, you will know that I love me a black lip. Like, I love dark black lips. It's just my thing. It's the thing I rock most. I just enjoy it, and I love the way it makes me feel, like very vampy, very sexy, very, you know, round. I'm sorry. Anyway, today we are going to be discussing what I do to prep my lips to get the perfect canvas and the way I put my black lipstick on. So, let's jump into this. Let me just tell you, there are so many different kinds of black lipsticks out there. There are different kinds of finishes, different kinds of formulas. You know, you just have to figure out what kind you like the most. I love them all. Again, you just gotta be open with yourself and really be honest with yourself at what you like and what you don't like. Today, I just threw the one we were gonna use. Today we're gonna be using the Fenty Beauty Stunna Lip Paint in Uninvited. This is such a great lipstick, liquid lipstick. It's great. You'll see. The first thing that I do is when I'm doing my face, when I'm doing the rest of my face, put a lip balm on, or a lip treatment, something to hydrate my dry ass lips. Okay? Nobody wants chapped lips under any type of liquid lip situation, so make sure your lips are hella hydrated. All right, this is what you need. It's what you need. Put a lip balm on. Put even a lip gloss is better than nothing. Something that is going to hydrate your lips. I usually end up going with one of two products. Number one would be the Tatcha Carmella Gold Spun Lip Balm. Looks like this. I really, really love this stuff. And number two would be the Bite Beauty Agave Lip Mask. This stuff, guys, it is heaven sent. It's so amazing, and I really, really love it, especially for overnight treatments. All right, so I've already applied the Tatcha one earlier onto my lips. All right, so now what we're gonna do is we are going to take a lip scrub. Now, you can make your own lip scrub, which is what I did for a really long time, like a super, super long time, which was, the only thing I used was sugar and olive oil, or sugar and honey, and you just scrub your own lips with that. But if you have the budget, and or you're looking for one that's in a container that you can keep on hand at all times, I freaking love the Lush lip scrubs and the Jeffree Star Velour the Jeffree Star Velour lip scrubs are bomb. They are bomb. I love them so much. This is the Velour lip scrub in Blue Freezy. I love this so much. So much. It's amazing. Also, I think it's kind of cool that he has a second house in Michigan and I'm from Michigan. Anyway, so we are going to just leave our lip balm on. And by the way, my lips are stained from eating something with red dye in them. This is what the scrub looks like. And I just want to eat it. I'm going to take a little bit of this scrub with my nail, and we are just going to pop this onto our lip and move it around on our lips until we feel like we did a good job. Shoppers better took those risks. Hold one of my fists, we fire starters. One out of a million will reach those heights. Always had a feeling that I won't If you guys are worried about it getting everywhere on your face, it doesn't really bother me because I just kind of sweep it off. But you can do this before you actually do your makeup and then just put some lip balm on after it. Plus, it tastes so good. So good. I'm sorry, I'm being weird. I feel like that's good. People probably that are watching this just cringed. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, y'all. I'm just keeping it real. I just lick my lips and lip the scrub off. That's what I do. Now, just to make sure I got all of the oils off, I just go in with a beauty blender. Just make sure it's all off. Another quick tip is to, when you get in the shower, after you get out of the shower, use the scrub then. And then your skin is hydrated and your dead skin will come off way easier. Does that make sense? What I like to do is I put a little bit of the lip scrub on a soft microfiber towel, and then I use that to rub around my lips, and that really exfoliates your lips, like really. I wouldn't recommend that on a daily basis because it is so harsh, but if you have some really crusty lips and you're needing like some extra oomph to help get rid of them, definitely do it as soon as you get out of the shower. Even at the end of your shower. You can do it at the end of your shower while you're still in the shower. It's bomb. That's what I usually do. Not gonna lie. Anyway, next step is to do your lips. I love the applicator on this, guys. I love it so much. I'm gonna zoom you guys in. Hello there. Ooh, you are really close. Ooh, this makes me feel uncomfortable. Sit there with my lips just pouted, and we are just going to lightly run this all over our lips and then go in and define our edges. I overline my lips, so a trick to overlining your lips is to only overline this portion of your lips. But everything else you want to keep the same. The same. You guys, I make this mistake all the time as well, so I mean, come on. It's easy to make this mistake, but much more natural if you just keep the overlining right here and down here. Does that make sense? Let's do this.
If we are one grain of sand in the middle of the ocean, can you try to understand how a touch can cause explosion?
Alright, that is my natural lips without any overlining. I'm gonna go back in and just overline where I just told you guys to overline. And bring it back down. See the difference? There we go. Here's my black lip. If you were wanting a little bit more sauciness in your life, you could add a black gloss to this. Make sure you are not gonna have problems with your hair falling into your lip gloss, because that's not pleasant. It's not pleasant at all, especially when your lipstick lip gloss is black. Let me tell you, don't do it. Put that hair up in a bun, a sleek, pulled back, gelled bun. Or, you know, take your chances, roll the dice, live on the edge. Your choice. Anyway, so this was requested from one of my subscribers. I can't remember what video she asked for it on, but if you see this, hey, thank you so much. It was a great idea. I would have never thought of this, and thank you. That is it for this video, guys. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you did, please don't forget to give this video a like, and don't forget to hit that subscribe button down there. It's red, it's free, and you become a part of the Glam Fam when you hit it. And that is always an awesome thing. We keep it really real on this channel, and I love each and every one of y'all. Anyway, if you guys have any requests for future videos, don't forget to leave it in the comment section below. And that is it. I will see you guys in my next video. I love y'all so very much. Bye!